y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited because, as y'all know, it is like my favorite time of the season, and if you have been a follower here for a long time, you know exactly what that means. That means it is time for a FabFitFun box, and this is the summer, and I haven't opened it yet. I've been waiting for this, and I'm already dying over the design of this. I love it. This is fantastic. It is so summery, so tropical, and I love it. If I could get this design somewhere, I would put it everywhere. Okay, love it. Thank you so much. But I love these boxes. I think they're perfect for every season. I think everybody needs to have one because FabFitFun does such an amazing job of like customizing to a certain person, offering things for everybody. Like, they are fantastic. And one thing that I love about each box is in partnership with a charity or a foundation of some kind. So this month is actually with, I'm gonna read this, Eva Longoria and the Global Gift Foundation USA. And they are committed to making a positive impact on the lives of children, women, and families in need. The money from the summer add-ons will go to the Global Gift Foundation and Eva Longoria Foundation's newest initiative, Girls in Action STEM Scholarship Fund, to connect women with the tools and education to be the STEM leaders of tomorrow. This is so incredibly important because we need girls and women and science, technology, math, engineering. Like, it is so incredibly important, and I think that it is a fantastic thing for FabFitFun to be partnering with this foundation, because what better than to help the women and children and the girls of tomorrow. Like, it's amazing. So we're gonna go ahead and dive right into this box because I'm so excited, and I haven't opened it yet. Like I said, I've been waiting to do it with y'all. So we're gonna dive right on in, and I'm really, really excited. All right. So already, as you guys know, as soon as this opens, we have this amazing, like, even the inside of the box looks amazing. Like, what? And it looks like this, and of course, every box has the magazine on top for this season, and then they have a code for FabFitFun box, and then we have the Hello Fresh as well, which I love. And then, of course, then we just dive right in. And of course, since Eva Longoria's foundation is teaming with FabFitFun, she's on the cover of this month, so it's fantastic. Okay, so diving right on in. I'm ripping the paper open. Oh, it's so amazing. Okay. I was already excited when I saw the customizations for this month because they were fantastic in every single way, and I was so excited for this. Okay, so to start off, oh, where do I want to start? We're going to start with the fact that one of my add-ons, I did donate $1 to the Eva Longoria Foundation to support that. So I think it's important. Like I said, I always donate just a little amount of money, just because I think a little amount still makes a difference. So I did do that, and yeah, that was my add-on for this month. So one of my customizations, which I was super thrilled about, was these West Elm Indigo tie-dye bowls. And they came in this box, and there are 3 of them in here. And I love blue, and I love any shade of blue, honestly. I'll give you guys a better view of them. But they look like this, and there's 2 others inside here, and each of them are different. And like, look at that. Like, that is just beautiful. I love it. And they tied it with this wicker straw like to add just a little bit of detail to it. But oh my god, these are perfect, and I cannot wait to use these. I'm already dying over them. Oh, see? Partnering with great things. West Elm. Hello. Okay, second thing in here is the Dr. Rogers Restore Healing Balm. Its uses for chapped lips, cuts and burns, severe dry and sensitive skin, post-procedure skincare, beauty hacks, and baby ointment. Let me tell you, if you know me, you know I have sensitive skin and dry skin and eczema and everything. So I did some research before this came, and I am super excited to try this because I think this will be fantastic. I love this too. It says safe, smart, selective, and sustainable. That is so brilliant and amazing to say because not a lot of places are. And it just comes in this small little tube for us to try, but it's really nice. Can't wait to try this. Very, very excited. And I think it'll actually do wonders for my skin, which would be fantastic. Okay, second thing in here are these Invisibobble hair rings. Most girls nowadays are using these for their hair, and I love them. I use them all the time. I literally have like a ton laying around here. So you have the clear and then you have a nude one as well. And I love this because they're just fantastic. Like they last a whole lot longer than like the old hair ties used to. So I love that I have some new ones. Like I have a ton, but I always like to add more to my collection. Okay, the next thing in here is this Generation Clay. It's a brightening purple clay mask. Come on, it's purple and it's a clay mask. And I love the tube that it comes in too. It's ultraviolet. Wow, to use. Apply an even layer to clean dry skin. Wait approximately 10 minutes or until the mask starts to tighten. Use water to gently rinse off your mask and circular motions, then lightly pat your dry skin. It refines, brightens, illuminates, and nurtures. Very excited. I love a good clay mask at night when you're watching TV, just sitting on the couch, relaxing. Very excited to try this, and it's purple, like I said. Who wouldn't want a purple? Like, what? Okay. Moving on. Okay, so the next thing is this Whish Powerfully Effective Natural Coconut Milk and Verbena Exfoliating Foot Mask. Smooths and softens intense hydration. And it's like free of a bunch of things. So it's cruelty free, which is amazing. And like, I have really bad feet because I ran for so many years and played sports. So my feet aren't the greatest. So I'm the type of person I'll wear lotion and socks. So I'm actually really excited to try this. And I just opened the box and it smelled really good. Use ideally at bedtime. Perfect. Apply liberally to desired area and let dry. Go to bed and awake with softer feet. Rinse after 8 to 12 hours. Fantastic. And I can literally, I took it out of the box and I can smell the coconut milk. Oh my God, that smells so good. Exfoliate, polish, soothe, and smooth. Very excited. Whish. I've never heard of Whish before, but now I have, and now I'm gonna be literally wearing this every single night. Okay, the next thing in here, okay, put it in a bag. Oh, 'cause it's in oil. Oh, this is my mystery choice. So I always love, because when we get to customize, we get a mystery choice in one of our customizations. So I always like doing the mystery choice because it could be literally anything from FabFitFun. So this one, this is my mystery choice. It's a Skin & Co. Roma. It's a truffle therapy, and it's a cleansing oil made in Italy. Vigorously shake bottle so that all contents are well mixed. Moisten a cotton pad with the right amount of truffle therapy cleansing oil and gently spread all over your face in a circular motion. Use in an outward circular motion near eye area until all makeup is removed. Rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water. Pat your face dry with a clean towel. I needed a new makeup remover. It literally, so it looks different, but I just shook it up. So it kind of looks like that ombre, but you shake it up. And now it looks all mixed together. But very excited to try this. I think this will be really good. Truffle Therapy Cleansing Oil. Very excited. It's a whole lot of products that I've never heard of before, so it's always fun to get new things to try. Okay. Oh, we got a bigger box. So this is the Grace and Stella Spray All Day Rose Spray Hydrating Rose Facial Spray. And I love this box. It's this beautiful pink ombre, like peachish color. So really pretty, and it matches the rose aspect to it. Oh my God, yes. Okay, let's just talk about this because this is fantastic. Like, so aesthetically pleasing. Oh, it smells like roses too. So pretty, and it's so nice. I love this. Spray All Day. I love a good facial spray. It wakens your face up, and it's just like, it's the start of a new day. I love it. Okay, I think these are my last, yes, these are my last two customizations. So we will start with this one. This is the Spiritual Gangster, and I am a huge fan of Spiritual Gangster. But this is the Spiritual Gangster Maya kimono. And I saw this and was like, yeah, we're gonna get this. Oh my God. And you guys know I love kimonos. Like, I'm a huge kimono person. Okay, so first off, it's got this amazing pattern to it. It's like this dark, it's black, and then it has these amazing dark purple and white flowers on it, but so cute. And you can wear this as a robe, you can wear it out, it's whatever you choose, but so nice. I'll give you guys a little closer look on it, but love this. Love, love, love. If you guys have never checked out Spiritual Gangster before, go check out Spiritual Gangster because they have amazing clothes. Okay, my last thing and my last customization too is this Jennifer Zeuner jewelry. And I saw this necklace and I about died because I was like, I thought of a million different ways I could wear this. So what it is, it's a star, it's just a simple star necklace, but it's this beautiful star necklace, and I'll give you a closer look at it, but it's this double layer, and it's amazing. And I've never tried her jewelry before, but when I saw this, I immediately went and checked out her website, and I found a ton of things that I want to order, but I had to restrict myself until I saw this, and I was like, and this has just confirmed it, that I need to go get it. But yeah, so love this necklace and I can't wait because I'm probably gonna wear it this weekend. All right, you guys, so that is it for the summer FabFitFun box. I'm so excited that I was able to share this with you guys, and literally when I do this, I'm opening this for the first time with y'all. So if I seem like I don't know all about the products, it's because this is my first time seeing them as well. So super excited. I'm gonna leave everything, all the products linked down below. So if you see something you like, you can definitely go check it out. And I'm also gonna link FabFitFun down below as well, because I think everybody should go get a FabFitFun box because they are amazing. You can do the seasonal or you can do the annual and just pay for it a whole year and get all 4 boxes. I think it's fantastic. Go check out FabFitFun. And you guys, I will see you guys back here next time. Bye, y'all.